Teeth whitening is an extremely popular cosmetic procedure that helps improve the appearance of your smile. It does this by reducing the appearance that your teeth have. The results from teeth whitening are dramatic. Some people ask what the process of recovery is after having this procedure. The following video will talk about what to expect to experience during the period of recovery following teeth whitening. We will also provide suggestions to ensure you get the most effective outcomes. The first step is to know that the recuperation process following teeth whitening could be different based on the type of treatment is administered. There are two primary methods of tooth whitening, such as in-office whitening or at-home bleaching. The in-office procedure is generally carried out by a dentist. It uses an extremely concentrated bleaching gel which is sprayed on the teeth. It is activated using the use of a specific laser. This type of whitening procedure usually results in quicker and greater results. However, it could also trigger greater sensitivity to gums and teeth. In contrast, these kits at home are made to be used by the patient from the convenience of their own house. The kits typically have a low concentration bleaching solution that can be applied to the teeth by using specially designed tray. Though at-home bleaching treatments can require a longer time to produce effects, they're typically less abrasive on the gums and teeth. They also create lesser sensitivities. No matter what type of treatment for whitening you go through, there is a chance that you'll be a bit sensitive on your gums and teeth immediately following the procedure. It is typically temporary, and it should disappear within some days. To manage the symptoms of this sensitiveness, you could consider using a desensitizing toothpaste or rinse with a fluoride-based mouthwash. Refraining from cold and hot food or drinks along with the consumption of acidic food may reduce sensitivities. As well as sensitive teeth, you might have gum irritation when you have teeth bleached. This could result from the bleaching gel coming in contact with gums throughout the process of bleaching. In order to reduce irritation on the gums, you can use an easy bristled brush and gently brushing methods. It's also essential not to brush too hard or using toothpaste that is abrasive, because this may cause further irritation of the gums. Another frequent side effect of teeth whitening can be an occasional discoloration or discoloration on the teeth. It may occur because of the bleaching gel reacting to stained teeth. It tends to last for only a few days. To prevent and reduce discoloration, be sure to adhere to the directions given by your dentist or the company that makes the at-home bleaching kit. For instance, you should avoid certain beverages and food items that have been proven to stain, including tea, coffee, as well as red wine. In general, the process of recovering after whitening your teeth is gentle and easy to manage. Following the guidelines given in this video, you will be able to help ensure the smoothest recovery possible and maximum outcome from the treatment. Be sure to talk with your dentist if you have concerns, or if there is frequent gum irritation or sensitization. When you maintain your dental health with proper care, it is possible to enjoy a healthier, more radiant dental appearance for many years to follow.